Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making a turban cap, a simple turban cap, and the measurement I'll be using for this is 12.5 inches for the width and 28.5 inches for the length. If you're using a stretchy material, please reduce the measurements. So let's put in our measurements here. After marking your measurements down, you go ahead and make a straight stitch at the folded sides. So let's do that. Now I'm done making the stitches and I'm trimming out the excess of the fabric. Now go ahead to turn up the fabric to the right side. After turning the fabric to the right side, give it a good press to flatten the folded side of the fabric. Get the two ends of the fabric, join them together this way as I'm doing. Then pick the first side of the fabric, join it to the middle joint of the fabric and flip over the remaining fabric to the other end. Just watch the way I'm doing it and you will understand what I'm doing here. So after that, you flip over the other end to the other side. So here we are done flipping it over, then you go ahead and give it a straight stitch. So I'm done stitching and I'm trimming off the excess. Then after that, you flip over your fabric and our turban cap is ready. So if you watch up to this end, thank you so much for supporting. I really appreciate. Please subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this video to your loved ones. Please, if you have any video in mind that you would like us to make video on it, please drop in the comment section. I will be replying all comments right away. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe, please.